Hi, I'm going to show you how to make the stocking. I made it with a K hook. The dimensions are 17 inches in length, 6.5 inches across. You can make it bigger or smaller, just go up or down your hook size. I used a K hook. The pattern is down below. Okay, so let's get started. Start with a chain 2. I used medium worsted yarn. And then in that second chain from the hook, I'm going to yarn over and work a half double crochet 6 times. So grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through all loops on the hook. 6 half double crochet. Slip stitch in that first half double crochet, yarn over and half double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the same stitch, and then half double crochet twice in each stitch around until you get back to the beginning. You can pull your tail through and use it as a stitch marker. And now I'm going to work in continual rounds without a slip stitch, so it will all blend nicely. So yarn over and then go right into the next stitch. I'm going to just go right into that stitch right next to it. A half double crochet, and then go into the next stitch, 2 half double crochet, and then go into the next, and that's the pattern. It's going to be 1 and then 2, so this is 1 half double crochet and then 2 half double crochet until you get to that stitch marker, and then continue that to the beginning. Okay, so you're back at your stitch marker. No slip stitches, just continually work. So half double crochet, then half double crochet in the next, and then 2 half double crochet, so half double crochet, half double crochet, and then 2 half double crochet, and repeat that around. So 1 1 and then 2 until you get to the stitch marker. 1 1 and then 2, slip stitch to complete that round, and then add your red and pull it through, and then work your half double crochets again. That green was the tip of the stocking toe, then half double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next, and then work 2 half double crochet. So 1 in the next 3, 1 2 3, and then 2 half double crochet in the next. So 2 is right here, 2 half double crochet, and repeat that all the way around. 1 1 1 2, so 3. Now you're going to slip stitch to complete the round, and then just work half double crochets all the way until you get to the beginning. There will be no increases. This type of yarn that I used is a sparkling red heart yarn. I got it at Walmart, so it's red, it has sparkle to it, it's like a metallic. Just repeat that all the way around until you get to the beginning again. Go right into the last stitches and work your half double crochets, and you're not doing any more slip stitches, so you can work in continual rounds so it transitions nicely without any seam. And you're just going to work your half double crochet. Do that for 10 rounds. Once you have your 10 rounds of the red of half double crochet, then half double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to go 4 over and place my stitch marker to keep track of where I need to start for the next round. And then I'm going to work 2 half double crochet in the next. So it's going to be 1 half double crochet in the next 4. And then 2 half double crochet in the next, which is an increase. This is just for this round only to make it a little bit bigger, and do that all the way till you get to the stitch marker, 4 and then 2. Then it's going to be half double crochet in each stitch around for this next round. So just 1 round of all half double crochet, no increases. Now I'm going to slip stitch and I'm going to create the heel. So slip stitch in and then work a half double crochet in the next 18 stitches. So 18 half double crochets, and this is the heel part of the stocking. You're going to turn your work and then half double crochet 2 together in the first 2 stitches. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook for a decrease. 2 half double crochet together. And then you're going to half double crochet across for 14 stitches until you get to the last 2 to create a decrease. Then work 2 half double crochet together, decrease at the end here. And you'll keep doing that until the heel gets smaller and smaller. So turn and work 2 half double crochet together, yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, half double crochet in the next 12 stitches across until you get to the last 2 again. Two half double crochet together at the very end here, yarn over, pull through all loops, turn, and then 2 half double crochet together in the next 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, then half double crochet in the next 10 stitches until you get to the end to do the 2 half double crochet decrease again. 2 half double crochet together at the end again, and then turn, 2 half double crochet together, and then 2 half double crochet in the next 8 until you get to the end, 2 half double crochet at the end together, turn, and then 2 half double crochet in the next 2 together, and then work 2 half double crochet in the next 2, and then 2 half double crochet together in the last 2. Make sure you're keeping track of your stitches, because if you do too many or not enough, then it won't be even. Going to yarn over, pull through, and fasten off there. Okay, you're going to slip stitch in your red yarn, and then you're going to half double crochet along the edge and all the way up the heel. So half double crochet, and then you're going to go all the way around and go all the way around the heel green part as well. So this is just all half double crochet. Now I'm going to go to the green part and just work half double crochets wherever I can find a place in the green. I'm just going to work a half double crochet. I already worked along that edge of the red, and now I'm just going to go up the heel to connect it all. I'm going to slip stitch back where I started and work a half double crochet in each stitch around. Now I'm going to work in continual rounds all the way around the edge for 18 rounds, and that will create the rest of the stocking. So all the way around the red in continual rounds. Now I did the 18, and now I'm going to slip stitch to finish, and I'm going to add the green, and the green is the trim top part of the sock, like the stocking. So I'm going to half double crochet in each stitch around. Now I'm going to do this for 7 rounds, and then the stocking will be complete. You can weave in all your ends, and you can make this larger or smaller with going up or down your hook size. It looks just like this. Okay, I'm going to work a half double crochet and slip stitch, and then I'm going to start working in continual rounds after this, which is 6 more rounds of half double crochet of the trim. Okay, now I can just slip stitch in that last stitch right where my stitch marker was. Now I'm going to yarn over, pull through, and weave in all my ends. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my yarn needle and weave in all my ends, and then just cut them off. Make sure they're in the inside so you can't see them, and then you're all finished. The pattern is down below. So this is what it looks like when it's all finished. It's pretty big. It's big enough for placing items inside. You can always make it longer by going on with more rounds. Make it wider with a larger hook. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.